Hi there, glad to see you here. I am Said Khalil, a software engineer and a web developer. In this video, I am going to introduce you all the features, tools, courses, software and apps that are available on this website completely for free. By the end of the video, you know all the important things. All the things that help you with your career, with your studies, and with your everyday life. So let us dive in. This is how the landing page looks like now. Today is 1st June 2026, and if you see different things, it is because we constantly change the website. We constantly improve and make it more user friendly and useful. We will not change the menu. We will only keep adding new items to the menu, but we will not change it. There are two shortcuts here. This one takes you to the page with the overviews of all the online software and tools, and this one takes you to the online courses and tutorials. These three components are a brief overview of the free online tools, the free mobile applications, and the free computer and smartphone coding, web development, and tech courses and tutorials. Then also a summary of our mobile applications, a brief overview of our free online software or tools, the resume builder, the online notepad, the text or bio generator, QR code generator for payments, money and expenses manager, and QR code generator for any text or link or URL. A cool math game where you can practice basic mathematics. Hexadecimal converter. Here you can subscribe to our newsletter, enter your email and click on submit. We will add new stuff to the footer, but we will not change it. If you see it differently and if the structure, the layout looks differently or confusing, you can navigate to your favorite page from the menu or from the footer. You can also find all the links inside the sitemap. Click on the sitemap. You have the links to all the pages on the website in one place. Let us go back to the home page. Let us explore all online software or tools. The first one is online resume builder or CV maker with templates. A screenshot of the online software, the description, and some of its features, and you can click to see how it looks like. For example, Sarah 1993. When you fill the fields, you see it immediately in the preview. I have a specific video for how to use this resume builder. The link is in the description. I have explained everything in details so that you know how to use this resume builder correctly and efficiently. Now let's go back. The second one is online money and expenses manager. Again, a description, some features. It asks you to register. This is a demo. Here you can add your incomes, your expenses. Then you have an overview, a beautiful overview of your incomes and your expenses. That way you can see where your money goes and where you get the money from. This helps you to manage your finance, to not waste your money. Your money is your energy. You should control it properly. Give it a try and you will love it. The third one is online stylish text or font generator. For example, here we can type anything. This is not just a font. This is something that you can actually copy paste on your bio and the style stays the same. The text stays exactly how it looks like here. These are special characters. That is why wherever you use them, it stays the same. For example, I like this one. If I click on copy, copy to the clipboard, I can paste it here. It looks the same. Beautiful Jamila. This is very handy if you want to send a very special message to someone or put a very special message on your bio on Instagram, on Facebook, or anywhere on your social media profiles. It makes your social media profiles very unique and attractive. The fourth one is online notepad or text editor. It is a very amazing online software. This is your amazing online notepad. You have here shortcut to change the font family, the font size. You can change in the color. You can download it on your phone. You can save it on the cloud. You can share it with your friends and you can change it and make it more beautiful. Here you can change the background. This asks you to give it a name. For example, my beautiful note. Now it stays only on the web. If you want to save it and share it exactly how it looks like to you, then you need to log in. I created this online notepad with so much love and passion. So I hope it helps you with your daily life, with your work or your studies. And I keep adding new features and keep making it more useful and more powerful. The online math game. Let us see how this looks like. So here you can play 2 divided by 8. Let us give it 1. Wrong. 0 plus 5. 5. Okay, 1 score. You can change the level medium or hard. You can change the operator, make us it chooses randomly, or you can do only addition. You can use this one to find the main, median, or mode of a series of numbers. You can use this one to find the key code of your keyboard. For example, A is 65. Here you see the key code. Here is your key. You see every character or letter on your keyboard has a specific value that you can use if you are a developer or a programmer, or if you need it in some other areas. And then here you can convert binary to decimal. This one in binary is 21 in decimal. Binary is only zeros and ones. Here you enter decimal, for example 21 is this in binary. QR code generator for payment. Here you can enter your payment details, customize your QR code, even add your own logo, customize the size and the colors, and then it generates the QR code for you. You can download it on your device. Then you have the QR code for only text. You can enter here any text or any URL. Customize your QR code, add logos if you want, customize the size of the logo, and then click on generate and download on your device. Share it with your friends or with anyone you want. Now let's see all the mobile applications. We have HTTP status or response code. You can read this in details. There is a specific page for this. This is available on Google Play. So here it is. You can search all the standard and non-standard HTTP status or response codes. You get the code definition with more explanation. Here you can play a quiz with the status codes to practice them and memorize them. And then we have the drawing and painting application. You can read more about it on its own page, and you can also check it out on Google Play. So this is how it looks like. This is actually my drawing. This is the menu. You can also open an image and draw on it and download it on your phone or save it on your phone. Here you have the save button. You can crop or cut images. If you are using Android phones, not iPhones, you can try them. Download on your phone and try them. You will love it. Again, we have a color reference application. This is also very useful that you can pick any color you want and see how it looks like. You can get the RGB value of the color, the hex value of the color, and the HSL value of the color. You can copy it to the clipboard and paste it or share it with anyone you like. And then you have the color tools, which is very powerful. You can convert any hex to RGB, any RGB to hex, and also preview any color that you like. Then we have also a powerful text editor. Take notes and save on your phone. Read or open any file, edit or modify files. Use your mobile phone like your laptop. You can also see how many words you have in your text and how many characters you have in your text. You can check the online courses and tutorials yourself. It is not necessary to go through all of them one by one. Feel free to explore everything on the website. Do whatever you want with it. It is all yours. Enjoy it, take advantage of it, benefit from it, use it to make your life easier and better. And finally, you can log in or register. If you have registered, you can log in. If you forgot your password, you can reset your password. You can register very simply. Enter your email, a password, confirm your password and register. And then when you have registered, you can go to your profile and add more information to your profile, even add a profile picture to your profile. You can subscribe to the premium version of the website and become a VIP user. And if you have questions, you can send your questions to info@aqyanoos.com or to contact at aqyanoos.com. On laptop or on large screens, it looks like this. On mobile phone, it looks just like this. Imagine this is the screen of your mobile phone. All the features are the same on a computer, on large screens, and on mobile devices. If the screen is bigger, it looks like this. For example, on iPad or on tablet, it looks like this. Thank you so much for watching and staying so far with me. I really appreciate it. Very important, guys. We keep adding new features, new courses, new online apps and tools on this website. So please check the website regularly and stay up to date with the new changes and new features to get the most out of this website. And also, if you have an idea or a problem and you want a software based solution for it, you can contact us, you can share it with us, and we will do our best to make or build a software for that to help you solve the problem. And we will publish it on this website completely for free so that you use it to solve your problems, and also millions of other people use it to solve their problems. So it will not only help you but will help millions of other people as well. Thank you so much for staying so far. I really appreciate it. Take care and have beautiful times.